Did you bring your snack for the day?
I did.
You gonna eat one? You gonna eat one?
Maybe later.
Good morning! Today is barn working day. We're all the kids and us and Davey are gonna go in the barn. We've got some chores, some gates and stalls that need to be fixed. And that's what we're up to today.
You ready to work? Are you ready to work?
That's the Christmas trees. They have completely ate. Look, you can't even see their little heads because their heads are right here. Today we are making this safer so dogs can't get in there because we caught our neighbor's dogs trying to get our little goats. Yeah, we can't have that. Tool man Taylor here.
And what we're doing today is we're gonna fix the goat gate where the dog can't get in.
Yep. Are you a goat?
Nah. Hey, look over there. They're right there.
You know the ball? Did your goats play with the ball?
No. I do.
Hi, Bob. Are you a goat?
No, I'm white.
Whoa. Oh, don't kick the goat.
I didn't mean to.
Roll it toward the goat and see if the goat will play with it.
It won't.
You can't cut it right there. You gotta let it hang off right there.
Okay.
And don't try to catch it. Don't try to just let it fall. Alright? When you're cutting with a skill saw, see that notch right there on the edge?
Yeah.
You put it on that edge, like that right there.
Yeah.
That's where the blade's gonna cut it, right there, just like that. Yep.
What, you want me to do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna let you do it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you got the trigger.
Okay.
So we can get your saw started. What you want to do is, when you get close to the end like that, you want to kind of just push it on through.
Okay, so it don't split like that?
So it don't split like that. Alright, go ahead and fast. Go ahead and start it. Start it. Lay it down on the ground.
Good job.
You want to learn? You want to learn how to cut?
No, you're not big enough yet, buddy.
Just like that. Now I'm gonna shoot the nail gun now.
Don't let go.
Don't let go.
Look, you got it?
You want to help.
Come here, come here. Oh, you see him move?
I got my back.
You did good, Zach.
64 inches.
Are you sure you want to do this? I must have.
That's like 64 inches. Well, maybe that's 64 inches.
64 inches.
64 inches.
That's cool. Don't put that near your face. That's cool. You didn't.
Can I hold it?
No. Air comes out right there.
Always
So-
let your short side drop.
Okay.
Let your short side drop.
What are they going like?
No, it'll drop.
Okay.
Just hold that piece.
So now it's supposed to be over here, right?
Yep. You don't hold that side over there. Just let
Okay.
your short side drop. You have to use your other hand with the saw.
Right here?
That's right. That's right.
Right here?
Yep. Remember, go. Back up in there.
Okay.
There you go. Perfect. Perfect.
Good job, Lainey.
Dada.
She was nervous.
You
Hi,
were
nervous.
Hi,
No, it wasn't. It's easy. Don't y'all love it when you get a video and you take a picture of yourself instead? Come on, Davy.
What are you doing?
Look happy. Look like you love us.
All right. Woo! All right, let's go.
He's so fun.
No.
No. Randy called.
Here. These in the bag.
Do not throw. Act like you're
What's the purpose
happy
of
to be
this?
around.
I am. Come on.
Dad, you forgot your buggy.
Y'all pushing it now.
Oh, it reminds me of Tucker. They're scared. This is probably the same trailer the piglets were in that day. Y'all are cute. Reminds me of Tucker. I want one.
We have to get them smaller than that. Black cows. She don't.
I like cows.
I miss Tucker.
We had a cow one time.
Yeah, it's smaller than that. Oh, he's gonna freak out when you touch him. Oh no, he didn't.
Aww.
Like, move out my way.
When we got our cow, it was brand new, just like 2 days old.
Breaking news.
We heard a big bang.
We had a big bang.
Let's see what the big bang was.
Let's see what the big bang was.
Ready?
But you want to tell them what the bottom of our refrigerator does?
Oh, well, everything freezes in our refrigerator. Watch out, Zach. So we put some Coke Zeros down here. And this is what we got. So we had an explosion.
Who wants to eat it?
That will cut you. Be careful with that.
Yeah.
What?
That's what?
What are you doing? What?
Rainbow First Blood is coming on, so I recorded it, and so is 2 and 3.
Can I tell you?
Yeah. What are you doing in there?
Just get some out of that so you don't cut
Yes.
yourself.
We had 2 of them explode. Get the other one out.
I touched it.
It's like a frosty slushy.
Give me one.
Look at this. Our refrigerator is the biggest piece of crap ever.
So you have no shelf here?
Look, he's got a piece.
Eat it, Dan.
Ew.
Dan, look.
Look, it's all in the bottom of our refrigerator. At least it all stayed in that one little compartment and not the
Normally it goes in
whole
that, like-
refrigerator. Ew, you dropped it. I know.
Normally you hear these things.
I'm gonna drop it too.
No, you're not. Put it in the sink. That's terrible, y'all.
It's good. It's a new thing. Put your thing in there
It's
too long, it'll
not
pop. Then you'll have a freezy. There you go.
Well, he closed that back up.
Homemade freezy. When you hear it pop, it's ready.
Say goodnight.
Good
night.
What'd you say?
Good night.
That looked terrible.
Okay. Well, we'll make it the most interesting good night you've ever heard. Good night.
Okay, we've been outside working all day, and I've had this on my head. I want to show you.
Sorry.
I want to show y'all what my hair does
Let me do it.
when
Don't
it
move.
rubs. Look at this.
It looks really full.
Oh, it's full.
Don't look at me.
Look at this.
Move. I can't see.
It's like one of those baby dolls that have hair, and you go and brush it like it's like all braided, pretty. And you take it down. This is what my hair is. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, Mom. That looks like a rat's nest.
Now I got the fun part of brushing it out. Oh yeah,
The
I look
struggles of
how I
long
feel. Look at this. Yeah, the struggles of long hair. Oh yeah, look at that.
You just see from the back, it looks like you are like
Oh
too
my.
much teasing.
Oh my God.